Eco team.
Yeah.
Heating it up
got
over
that
here.
food waste bucket right here.
Yeah.
Right, let's take out the. Here, right here, Rebecca. Wait, what are you doing? We need to take this out. You got gloves on? Let's take out the cups like this. I mean, they're probably okay, but they got a little plastic lining. So we'll put, give me that, because I've got a trash bag right here. And then look for these guys in there. These guys, they say biodegradable on it, and they are if they go to special facilities, but if you just put them in the ground, it's probably going to take a while. So we're not going to do that. We don't got a special facility here on site. Yeah, cups and plastic. And then anything like this, got some color, maybe some plastic coating. We'll just avoid that just to be safe. It probably would be fine in the ground, but erring on the cautious side since it's not our land.
I don't see any more.
Don't see any more.
So that goes to the trash?
This we're just gonna put all in here, so we got all the compost ready to go. Put it in the trench.